Most people think change requires big moves, a new routine, a new system, a complete reset. But real change almost never starts that way. It starts quietly, in a small moment, usually one that feels too simple to matter. This is one of those moments. 10 minutes, that's all. 10 minutes every morning. Not to grind, not to hustle, not to optimize your life. Just 10 minutes done the right way. Because the truth is, most people don't have a motivation problem. They have a direction problem. They wake up already reacting. Notifications, messages, noise. Before their feet even touch the floor, their mind is already elsewhere. And when your day begins in reaction, the rest of it follows. This is why mornings matter more than people admit. Not because successful people wake up early, but because they wake up intentionally. The first 10 minutes of your day quietly train your brain how to behave for the next 14 hours. If you start scattered, you stay scattered. If you start rushed, you stay rushed. If you start numb, you stay numb. So here's the habit. When you wake up, do not touch your phone, not even to check the time. Sit up, place your feet on the floor, and stay there for 10 minutes. No music, no input, no stimulation. Just you and your thoughts. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. Your mind will look for escape. It will remind you of things you forgot, things you're worried about, things you don't want to face. That discomfort is the point. Because for most people, silence has become unfamiliar. We've trained ourselves to avoid being alone with our own thoughts. And without realizing it, we've handed control of our attention to everything else. These 10 minutes take it back. During this time, ask yourself only one question. What matters today? Not everything, just today. One task, one conversation, one decision that would make today count. You don't need to solve your life, you just need to aim your day. When the mind has a target, discipline becomes easier, not effortless, but possible. This is why the habit works. It's not about productivity, it's about clarity. People don't fail because they're incapable. They fail because their attention is divided. And attention, once divided, is difficult to recover. 10 minutes of stillness creates a reference point, a center. So when distractions come, and they will, you notice them sooner. You return faster. Over time, something shifts. You start moving with intention instead of impulse. You stop filling every gap with noise. You pause before reacting. And slowly, almost invisibly, your days become cleaner. Not perfect, cleaner. This habit won't make you instantly successful. It won't fix everything overnight, but it will change how you enter your life each day. And that changes more than people realize. Because the quality of your attention determines the quality of your decisions. And the quality of your decisions determines the direction of your life. Most people wait for motivation to appear, but motivation follows action, not the other way around. These 10 minutes are an action you can take every day, regardless of how you feel. You don't need confidence, you don't need discipline, you don't need the perfect morning routine. You just need to sit still and choose. 10 minutes every morning. That's it. Simple enough to ignore, powerful enough to change everything, if you let it.